as you recline on your bed, feeling the stress and exhaustion of the day slowly start to ebb away. You can't help but feel grateful for this moment of peace and serenity. Your body is cradled by the soft mattress beneath you, which offers you a sense of comfort and security that is unmatched. With each deep and slow breath, you allow yourself to sink further into the bed, feeling the tightness and tension in your muscles start to fade away. Your mind begins to wander, and you let yourself fully immerse in a peaceful daydream, imagining yourself floating on a calm and serene lake, surrounded by the lush green foliage of tall trees and the sweet sounds of chirping birds that fill the air. You allow yourself to be fully present in this tranquil moment, taking in all of the sights and sounds around you. The gentle rustling of leaves and the cool night breeze, combined with the soothing melody of crickets in the distance, creates a harmonious blend of relaxation that gently lulls you into a state of deep calm and peace. As you listen to these tranquil sounds, you imagine yourself drifting off into a peaceful and rejuvenating sleep with vivid and restful dreams waiting for you on the other side. Your body feels heavy and at ease, sinking further into the bed with each passing moment, as the warmth and comfort of the night envelops you. You can sense the warm and calming energy of the night surrounding you, offering you a sense of protection and security as you slumber. You take one final deep and peaceful breath and surrender yourself completely to the allure of sleep.